Can you get this quiz about the nature right? Question 1. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? The answer is A. Amazon. Question 2. What is the fastest land animal? The answer is A. Cheetah. Question 3. Which ocean is the deepest on Earth? The answer is C. Pacific Ocean. Question 4. What natural phenomenon is measured on the Richter scale? The answer is B. Earthquakes. Question 5. What is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth? The answer is B. Blue whale. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments.